Hey, to set up dual device connection on the OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro, first of all, you will have to be connected with your first device. So in my case, I'm connected with my Pixel phone, and you will have to be also connected with this Hey Melody application. When you are connected, you will have to keep scrolling, open the dual connection, and now tap on this switcher. So now, as you can see, to connect to a new device, we have to put the earbuds in our ears and touch and hold the touch arena on the both earbuds for 4 seconds. So let's do this. Let's input both earbuds, and the touch arena is actually located right here. So I'm gonna input them right now. I'm gonna right now click and hold for the sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And now I can hear the pairing notification. So on my second phone, I will have to open the boot settings. There we go. And as you can see, I can find OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro on the list. So when I'm gonna tap on them, looks like I will be connected after a few moments. There we go. I'm connected right now. And as you can see, right here, we can simply switch between the devices. So right here or right here. There we go. Now if I'm gonna disconnect from this, I should be automatically reconnected with the Pixel 8a, so with this smartphone. There we go. As you can see, I'm connected right now. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe.